Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this cute spider web earrings just in time for Halloween. The written pattern of this cute earrings is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link for the free written pattern is available in the description box. You can find many other fun free patterns in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to crochet this earrings, I am going to use size 8 anchor pearl cotton crochet thread in black and 1.25mm crochet hook, and we'll also need scissors. So starting round 1, I am going to work a magic ring and then I will work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. Then I'll go ahead work one more chain for the chain 1 space, and then I will work double crochet followed by chain 1 11 more times, and then once that is done, I'll work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 I will have 12 double crochet stitches with in between chain 1 spaces. So once round 1 is complete, we can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So for round 2, I am going to work a slip stitch onto the next chain 1 space of round 1, and then I will work a chain 2 double crochet together. This is considered as our first double crochet 2 together, and then I will work a chain 3, and then in every chain 1 space of the previous round I am going to work double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 3. So continue working like this around, and once that is done I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2 I will have 12 double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 3 space. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of round 2. So now I'm going to end my round 2 by working a chain 3 and working a slip stitch on top of my starting, chain 2 double crochet together, and with that round 2 will be complete. So once round 2 is complete, we can proceed with a round 3. For round 3 I'm going to work a chain 2 double crochet together on top of the chain 2 double crochet together of the previous round, and then once that is done I'm going to work a chain 5. So this is considered as a first double crochet 2 together, and then from now on top of every double crochet 2 together of the previous round I'm going to work a double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 5 space. So continue working like this around, and once that is done I will work a slip stitch on top of our starting, chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 3. So once that is done you can fasten off and weave the ends. So continue working like round 3. I will meet you at the end of round 3. So now I'm working my last chain 5 space, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting, chain 2 double crochet together. So now you can fasten off and weave your ends. So at the end of round 3 we will have 12 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 5 spaces. So you can fasten off now and weave your ends. So this looks like a spider web. This will be perfect for Halloween. So I'm just fastening off, and then I will go ahead weave my ends. So you can see from your work like it's too lazy and it's not stiff, and you will have to stiffen it up by soaking it in 1 part of white glue and 1 part of water solution, and air drying it for a day. So we need to make one more of this pattern, and then we need to block both of that for a day, and you can then attach the earring hooks. So I'm going to block both of these or stiffen both of these and air dry it for a day. Now you can see it's nice and stiff. It's been blocked and stiffened. Now it's time for me to attach the earring hoops to any of the chain 5 space, and your spider web earrings is now complete. It only takes a few minutes for this project to be done, and it's a perfect Halloween time gift idea as well. So I hope you enjoyed making this spider web earrings with me. It's such a simple pattern. Try this at home, and you can find the written pattern of this cute spider web earrings in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. It's such a simple make and a perfect Halloween time gift idea. So try this cute spider web earrings, and as I told you, you can find the written pattern link in the description box. You can find many other fun free patterns in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.